Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download grid shift files from Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So I've got my project menu open here, and what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to click on New Project, and I'll give this project a name. In this case, let's just give it Grid Shift. I'm now going to go to my coordinate system here and hit my list option here. And you can see I've got all of my available coordinate systems here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this grid shift catalog. That's going to open up all of my grid shift catalogs. And so I'm in Canada and I'm going to be downloading a Canadian grid shift file. You can see that Canada is an option here that I can select. So I'm going to want to click on that. That's going to open up all of my available grid shift files for Canada. And if I click on that handy download button, what that's going to do is it's going to download them all to my data collector. And you can see here, once it's complete, I got a nice check mark there. And you can see I've got all the available grid shift files for this region. And now with those grid shift files downloaded, I'm good to create my project and begin to survey in one of those coordinate systems where that is required. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you download a grid shift file into Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel or in the surveying space in general, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.